and welcome to the weekend. It is Saturday, which means it is still puzzle time. This is our special puzzle where we give you a puzzle on Saturday and we give you the answers on Sunday. Now, what I need to tell you, you must keep watching because at the end of this video there will be something just a little bit different which we want to get you involved with. Okay, so we'll come to that at the end. So today's puzzle involves matchsticks. Okay, now you are going to make triangles and you're going to use matchsticks or lines, anything you've got. You may want to do this as a practical puzzle, so therefore you might want to find things like pens, pencils and so on that represent the matchsticks. The idea is, when we start with matchsticks, we can draw 3 matchsticks to make a triangle. Now, if somebody now gives you 4 matchsticks, how many triangles can you draw? Well, the problem is, that's the only triangle you can draw. The extra matchstick doesn't actually enable you to draw a different triangle. Okay, you cannot draw a triangle with 4 matchsticks. Okay, so you still only got 1 triangle that you can draw. Somebody were to give you a 5th matchstick. Okay, is there another triangle you can draw? Let's have a look. What about if we were to draw our triangle with 2 matchsticks on each of the longer sides and just the 5th matchstick at the bottom? So we've managed to make, with 5 matchsticks, 2 different triangles. We've got the original triangle and we've got the bigger triangle. So the really important thing you're going to need to remember here is you do not have to use all of the matchsticks to make the triangles, okay? But you can't use more than you're given. So if you're given 5 matchsticks, these are the only 2 triangles that you can draw or you can make with those matchsticks. So here is part 1 of your puzzle, or part 1 of your task. I want you to work with 7 matchsticks, okay? And I want you to draw out all of the different triangles that you can make with 7 matchsticks, okay? Remember, each time you draw out a triangle using your matchsticks, you don't have to use all 7 each time. However, each triangle that you draw must be different, okay? You can't keep drawing the same triangle. It doesn't work, okay? So each triangle must be different, but you don't have to use all 7, okay? And here is the second part of your challenge. And this one is the one that might take you a little bit more time. When we had 3 matchsticks, we had 1 triangle. When we introduced a 4th matchstick, we still only had 1 triangle we could make. Soon as we gave ourselves a 5th matchstick, we now realised that there were 2 triangles that we could make. And when you draw out your triangles for 7, you'll then be able to tell me how many triangles there are that you can make using up to 7 matchsticks. But the second part of the puzzle is I want you to find how many matchsticks do you need in order to be able to make the same number of triangles or same number of different triangles as you have matchsticks. Okay, so going back, 3 matchsticks, 1 triangle. 4 matchsticks, 1 triangle. 5 matchsticks, 2 triangles. How many matchsticks are you going to need for those 2 numbers to be the same? And the only clue I'm going to give you is it's more than 7. Okay? So when you've done your 7 matchstick part, you will need to explore with more than 7 matchsticks, okay? That's the clue I'm going to give you, or that's the direction I'm going to push you into. Now, so that's the weekend's puzzle. Okay. Now, I did promise you something slightly different this weekend. I want you to get involved with what we're doing. So those of you who've been watching our videos every week or every day of each week will notice that there tends to be a puzzle and a riddle that goes with it. And I've had a few people who've given me their own riddles trying to challenge me or test me with their own riddles. So what I want you to do is I want you to start doing exactly that. I want to hear and I want to be challenged, if you like, with your riddles and your puzzles. Okay? So I want you to turn the tables and start sending your challenges and your riddles to us. Okay? Now there are several ways that you can do this, and I'm going to make sure that when you look at that board and I finish talking, that you will be able to see all of the different ways that you can get in touch, or you can send us your riddles, your puzzles, your challenges. Okay? There you go. Okay, so use any of those different ways to get in touch with us and to send us your riddles and your puzzles. Thank you for watching. I hope you managed to get the answers for today's puzzles. If not, don't forget to tune in tomorrow on Sunday at about 5:30, and the answer video will be available for you. Okay? In the meantime, I want to be hearing from you with all of your puzzles and your riddles. Okay? And what we'll do is next Saturday, next weekend, we'll give you another opportunity to get involved with something, but we'll do something different. Okay? Right, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we will see you tomorrow.